Mariah Carey strips down in December. The singer shared this snap from her holiday celebrations, clad in a skin-tight gold bathing suit in a hot tub, surrounded by snow. She captioned the pic, #traditions, #Aspen, #winter moments, sending love to all my #lambs, snowflake emoji.
Yes, I am very festive.
This isn't the first time the 45-year-old has flaunted her bikini bod in winter. She shared this similar shot back in 2013. And while Mariah was unseasonably dressed, her Instagram has been overflowing with tons of seasonable snaps. Mariah even inspired other stars to get in the Christmas spirit. Scott Eastwood shared this clip, belting out Mariah's hit, "All I Want for Christmas Is You."